In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a video to a GIF using Kapwing, a powerful online editor that's perfect for creators looking to make digital content quickly and easily. The great thing about using Kapwing is that it provides a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even if you're not a tech whiz. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Kapwing website. If you're not familiar with it, Kapwing is an online editing platform that offers various tools for editing images, videos, and more. Once the site is loaded, you'll find an option to sign in at the top right corner, so go ahead and click on that. You'll need to be signed in to access all of Kapwing's features. Upon clicking Sign In, you'll see several options, including signing in with Google, which is a streamlined way to access your account if you already have a Gmail. Select Sign In with Google, and this will take you to a prompt to choose your account. Simply click on your Google account to proceed. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account linked with your projects to avoid any confusion. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Kapwing dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your existing projects. Navigate through this list and click on the project you'd like to convert into a GIF. It's helpful to know that Kapwing organizes projects in folders, so locating your recent work should be relatively straightforward. With your project open, you'll see an option labeled Export Project. Click on this and it will reveal the various formats available for export. Since we're focusing on creating a GIF, you'll want to select the GIF option from the list. This is where Kapwing shines because it simplifies the export process, allowing you to choose your desired format seamlessly. After clicking GIF, you'll see a button that says Export as GIF. Hit that button, and Kapwing will start rendering your video as a GIF. Rendering may take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your video, but just sit tight and let Kapwing do the work. Once the rendering is complete, you'll have a new GIF file ready to download. Simply click the download button and the GIF will be saved to your device. Now you have a handy GIF to use in your digital content to share on social media or spice up your online conversations. And that's it. You've successfully converted a video into a GIF using Kapwing. Hopefully this step-by-step guide has demonstrated just how simple and efficient Kapwing can be for creating engaging content. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us again for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your digital tools.